Hello, young achievers. I hope you all are doing so well. Today, we are here with the details of such an amazing earning opportunity, which is here to give you ultra advantageous benefits. So, today we are talking about the Ultra Wisdom, official website of which is www.theultrawisdom.com. So, the Ultra Wisdom is such an amazing platform which is your trusted partner in digital growth, online marketing, and smart monetization. This is a next generation online marketing company and a sponsored ads provider which is dedicated to help the businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs expand their digital presence while unlocking new earning opportunities. If we talk about the mission and vision of this platform, so the main mission is to empower individuals and communities by delivering innovative opportunities, and the main vision is to become a leading force in India's socio-economic transformation by promoting entrepreneurship, digital empowerment, and inclusive prosperity for a brighter future. Here, on every Sunday, online Zoom meeting is also conducted. The purpose of conducting these Zoom meetings is to provide 100% support to all its users and to make them aware about the regular updates and advantages. For legal checking, you can see all the documents has been displayed on your screen. Now directly we talk about the complete income plan. So if you also want to be the part of this opportunity, so you can start your journey with the available package of just 5,200 rupees. But the biggest good news is that if you are completing your joining before 20th December 2025 1 p.m., then you don't even have to pay this joining amount as the joining is completely free till that time. Once you have completed your free joining before December, you will get the benefit of different types of bonus such as welcome bonus, telegram bonus, play and earn, team play and earn, invite and earn, and in the form of rank income. To start with, if we talk about the welcome bonus, so once you have only completed your joining, on just doing that you will be getting 500 rupees as your welcome bonus benefit. The next benefit you can get from here is play and earn, where just 4 sponsors videos a day. You just need to watch that, and on that you are going to get a guaranteed income every single day of 340 rupees as play and earn benefit. Now, if we talk about the invite and earn benefit, so friends, whenever you are directly referring any person on each of the successful direct referrals, you are going to get 540 rupees as invite and earn. And the best part is, you can invite as many people as you want to increase the chances of greater earnings. Now comes the Telegram bonus, where if you join the official Telegram channel of the Ultra Wisdom, for which the link has been provided in your description, on just joining that channel, you are going to earn 400 rupees as Telegram bonus benefit. Now comes the team play and level. This benefit you will earn from a total of 5 levels, where from level 1 you will earn 85 rupees, from level 2 55 rupees, from level 3 35 rupees, from level 4 25 rupees, and from level 5 you will earn 10 rupees as team play and level earning benefit. Last but not the least, if we talk about the rank earning benefit, so you will get this from a total of 10 levels, where in first level if you have completed 150 direct referrals, then your income would be 21,000 rupees. In second level, if you have completed 120 direct referrals, then your income would be 19,000 rupees. In level 3, if 102 direct referrals has been done by you, then your income would be 17,000 rupees. Similarly, the details moves ahead, where in level 10, if you have completed only 5 direct referrals, then you can earn 2000 rupees as well. And this is how you can increase the chances of your earning. So these are the multiple incomes which you can enjoy from here. Where now if we talk about the working structure, so you just have to sign up with some basic details of yourself. There is no joining fee, no investment is required. Account will be activated instantly, and you will also get 400 rupees of sign up bonus which will be provided to you instantly. So the Ultra Wisdom is such a platform which has already partnered with many reputed organizations such as in e-commerce with Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho and many more, in recharge and bill payment, PhonePe, Google Pay and many more, for ride and cab, Uber and Rapido and many more, for which details has been displayed on your screen. The official location of this is in Karnataka and the official number is also provided on your screen. Now, if we talk about some important terms and conditions, so the registration is entirely free, for which there are no charges. Minimum withdrawal is of 500 rupees, maximum is of 1 lakh rupees. Withdrawals will start on 28th December 2025 onwards from 1 pm. One ID can be taken on one email and mobile number. Withdrawal is available via bank account and UPI, and all the other remaining details has been given on your screen. So, in order to be the part of this ultra amazing opportunity, today itself you can visit www.theultrawisdom.com. Thank you.